So I'm showing you how I'm setting up my irrigation. So I have my rainwater there and I have my fish pond. So the fish pond is whenever I change water or replace water, it will pump it from using a sump pump. I have two pumps. One is for the waterfall, one is sump pump. We pump it and it's there permanent. It will pump it through into this outlet here which I plumbed from the pond and goes and to the plants. So I can, whenever I change water, partial or full water change on the pond, I can use that very good water for the plants. The plants thrive on it. For the other irrigation, regular irrigation like everyday irrigation, for everyday water, I use the rainwater coming from the backside. And you see, I think one of the head on this one fell off. That's why it's going up. Usually it will go sideways. So you can see there is my rainwater coming out from my cistern. Back there I have 1100 gallon cistern, and you can see they come and irrigate. That is a drip irrigation. So this one is drip. So this is like a mint. It's a herb. Yes, I see. I see. Oh yeah, marshmallows. Oh baby, we have been having marshmallows in this yard. Guess how it gets there? Okay. So there's you see it's dripping. These drippers are really good. It's like a 2 gallons per hour, and those drippers are called flag drippers. Okay. Alright. We'll get those marshmallows, don't worry. And those flag drippers are great for fruit trees, because fruit trees need more, right? So that flag drippers are great for that. As you can see, all of them are doing very well when it comes to drip. You see it's dripping here too. And you can some of the drippers you can adjust how much drip you need as per your tree or plant need. So this is my banana tree, and you can see I'm giving it more water because they're growing fast, so I'm giving it more water. You see, that's how you do it. That's how you set up. So you have pond water coming from the fish pond that you can use just like this. And then you have the rainwater. This is a Japanese plum. It's a Japanese plum tree. It's a good fruit, right? So that's how you do it. That's coming from the fish pond. That's why the water is green. You see how green the water is? So it's coming from the fish pond. It's very good for your plants. And this is another cherry tree, and see how young they are and they're fruiting. This is also same, about a year and a half tree, and they're already fruiting. Isn't that amazing? That when you give the right conditions for the fruit trees, nature takes care of the rest. Nature makes sure you have sweet, good fruit and healthy plants if you provide what it needs. It's very easy. It's very easy. You don't have to make it a rocket science. You can use what you have in the farm with good ideas and get things going like this, so that you don't have to worry about spending a lot of money, because the fish pond water is better than the fertilizer that you can buy from the store. This is a slow release. It has fish poop, which is fish urine and fish poop. Great for the plants, better than the ones you buy from the store, right? What you buy from the store is chemicals, not good for it, not good for anybody, right? So I'm replacing my water. You can see how green the water is. This is the first time I'm changing water after about 1 year, because all these plants provide filter. They become like a filter, absorbing things from the water. So I only change once a year, and it does very well. And but you can also once a week, if you like to keep the water clean. Once a week, you can pump 30% water out, 20% water out, and irrigate your fruit trees and your plants with that water, so that every week the water get replenished, so the water stays clear. If you want to do that, I'm more of a naturalist. Fish pond are usually green for a reason, right? And that's okay. And when I want to maintain a clear pond, I can. All I do is every week I can change 20 or 30% of the water depending on how much clear water I need. As of now, I'm just enjoying this pond. And so for me it works. Even once a year replacing water works. And you can see how the sump pump is pumping water out from the pond into the fruit trees I have. So it's very easy, very smart way of doing things. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect to get things done. This is working, and you can see how much fruits our fruit tree is providing. This tree is full of peaches. You see how many peaches we have. Full of peaches. You see. So that's how you know things work. When you do it the natural way, keeping it close to how nature provides food to the plants, things start working like magic, right? Because that's what they like. Plants are like humans. So you gotta understand, plants are just like humans. They like fresh, or they like, at least not fresh, they like more decomposing materials because that is their food. But they like fresh decomposing materials where it's not chemicals, it's not artificial. It's like fresh compost that you make. You put it for your plants and they will bloom, right? And that's what they like. They're organic, right? So they like organic stuff. So please don't feed your plants chemical stuff. Feed your plants organic stuff, because they're like us. The more organic things you feed your plants, the more healthy fruits they will produce, more healthy for you when you consume it, and more healthy for the environment, right? There are no chemicals. And these things I showed you, like rainwater harvesting and fish pond aquaponic water for irrigation, are actually some of the most natural ways we can use. And you don't need any other fertilizer. That's all you use. And if you want to use compost, great. There'll be added nutrition for the plants. All the natural compost are very good for the plants. They're natural, so plants love it. So that's how you do it, okay? You got to do it in a very systematic manner where you're feeding the right things to your plant. Alright, please subscribe to our channel and support our projects. Kerala Root Farm on YouTube and TikTok. Alright, we have a TikTok channel. We'll post more. See you, take care.